Sean, I see third quarter net sales growth of 43, almost 44%. And we talk about this as one of those stay-at-home beneficiaries. As we do see vaccines roll out, as we do see the economy begin to recover this year, and hopefully some semblance of normalcy as people begin to, at some point this year, leave their houses a little more meaningfully, what does that mean for that growth?
Yeah, well, I think it's a common question among investors right now. What happens post-pandemic as people get back to going to concerts or spending their money elsewhere? We at LoveSac view the home category as hot for the next decade. And two main reasons for that. One, demography, right? We've got the whole millennial generation aging into that sweet spot of home formation, having children, buying more permanent furniture. And at LoveSac, we make things that are built to last a lifetime and designed to evolve. And so you can start with just one piece and add to it and grow it. It's a kid-proof, life-proof, move-proof couch. And then the second thing is people are moving, as policies drop from companies allowing people to work from home, whether it's moving one county away to be closer to the grandparents or whether it's moving across the country to somewhere remote because you can. That home turnover is going to be the biggest driver in the home category for the next number of years.
Hey, Sean,
and,
it's Josh Brown. How powerful is your brand? Do you really have a moat? Why can't Wayfair just come up with their own version of what you're doing, even if it's not as high quality as yours, and take back maybe some of what you've taken from them, from furniture that they're not currently selling that you are? How do you think about the competitive landscape?
Yeah, great question. I mean, so all of our products, we only run a couple of product lines. They're patented. They're totally unique in the landscape. They have been hiding in plain sight for more than a decade, and you've seen nothing like Sactionals. They're movable and changeable and modular in ways that no other couch is. Wayfair can't deliver a high-end sofa like ours via FedEx. It's not packable like ours is. And so a lot of these attributes that are so unique to Sactionals, the way they pack, the way they ship, the way they can be changed, washed, delivered, moved, relocated, recombined, reverse compatible accessories, these are all patented by LoveSac. And by the way, we're moving on to our next categories over these next coming years. We have a significant product launch this spring, which will also be patented. And meanwhile, we're building a brand that people love because we deliver fast. Our stuff's in stock now. It ships the next day usually. And it's a very unique concept in the landscape.
Yeah, you mentioned packable. I'm curious what your outlook is for shipping and freight rates right now. I mean, we're hearing a lot of reports about those spiking, given the fact that capacity has been so tight.
Yeah, once again, this is a strength of LoveSac in particular. All of our products, our sacks, we started with these giant not bean bags, they're $1,000 bags filled with foam that people still love, and that's a growing category. Shrink down to 1/8 the original size. Same with Sactionals. But we're experiencing the same freight landscape as anyone, just at an attenuated level because we compress everything that we make, right? Like even our Sactionals, as an example, come in on containers where there's 550 units versus 46 sofa sets of our competitors. And so it's just a very efficient product. And so we feel those same pains, but at the same time, we have other tailwinds. And we've recently been working on our own supply chain to make it far more competitive anyway, just in terms of delivery times and distances and new warehouses. And so we have a lot of meat on that bone to still carve away at our cost structure that some of the more mature incumbents do not.
Yeah. Very quickly, Sean, what's the backlog? If I were to order one of your products today, how long would I have to wait?
Well, it depends how close you are to warehouse, but probably just a few days, definitely under a week or two.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.